Hey you guys, in today's video we are going to be doing an acrylic nail set and I'm super duper excited. I decided to go with the pastel acrylic collection from Nailmate and I'm using the easy tips because they're absolutely one of my favorite all-time nail tips. Let me know in the comments what your favorite nail shape is. Do you love a long style, short style? And then let me know whether you like the square, round, almond, or a stiletto because everybody has a favorite. And to be honest, I want to know what yours is, Nail Bestie. Do you know when you find your absolute favorite cover acrylic shimmer powder and it's just absolutely beautiful and takes your breath away every single time you use it? Well, I have done just that. I created this cover powder based off my nail dreams, baby. Honestly, I had so much fun creating it. It is called Pirouette and she is just absolutely stunning. She's filled with iridescent mica powders, iridescent flakies, glitters. She's just an all-round stunner. Beautiful for a full cover nude nail with a hint of glimmer, or like I'm doing here, I'm doing an ombre, which again, super fun. So I wanted to do something simple, something that is an easy nail design that you guys can recreate, or if you're in a salon, it's easy to do on your clients and you're not going to be taking too long of a time. So we're just doing a simple ombre nail design where we do that core shimmer powder at the cuticle area. Then we're going to blend down the product, make sure to fade it out so that there is no harsh line. And then once we've done that, we're going to come in with the pastel collection. I wasn't actually sure which colours to choose because obviously I wasn't doing like my full set. I was just doing 5 colours, like 5 fingers, which then actually means that I don't have enough for every single shade of the pastel collection, which is a real shame because each one of them is absolutely stunning. So I just selected a few. I chose Mint Ninja on the thumb. You guys know that one is my ultimate fave. We have Powder Blue on the pointer. Look how stunning they blend. Then we have Lilac Rose on the middle. And honestly, guys, I wasn't really taking care of this ombre blend because I'm coming in with a glitter acrylic over the top. There wasn't really a need for me to make sure it was absolutely perfect. So when you're doing your designs, just be sure to be mindful of that. Like, not always do you need to perfect something. If it's literally going to be covered up or have like iridescent shimmer or sparkles over the top, because that is going to kind of do the work to blend and fizzle that out for you, which is, you know, a real good job, especially if you're trying to do like a super quick set and not make it take forever. Okay, so I'm coming in with this gorgeous glitter acrylic. It is called Fiery Heart, and or it could possibly be Starstruck. I'm not sure which one, but either way, both of those are the absolute bomb. So you need them in your collection. Yeah, I'm applying that to the center of the nail, blending up, then down, and look how pretty she is. I was just so obsessed with how this looked. Honestly, absolutely stunning. I have a wedding coming up next weekend and I need to do a set. I've got my dress, which is bright pink and bright orange, which is completely just not me, but I just, thought, what the heck, I'm going to go for it. So I've got to design a nail set for that and I'm so excited. I'm going to film the whole entire process for you guys and I really hope you enjoy what I come up with. I've got a week. I haven't got a week. I've got 3 days to come up with a design to share with you guys. And yeah, I want to go all out. I want to go super bling, like orange, pink, gold, and then the 3D like lilies. Since the dress that I've got has like pink lilies on, it's absolutely stunning. Okay, this is where I'm at with the full design right now. Understated, but still really pretty and beautiful. Once I'm happy with that, I'm going to come in with the Nailmate Crystal Clear Acrylic and we are going to encapsulate the entire design. I also want to let you guys know that I am going to put a 20% off flash sale on the website for you guys only. So the code is going to be on the screen right now. Use that code and get your baskets ordered. It's only going to be a flash sale, so if you head there and it's ran out, I do apologize. If you watch this video at a later date, the sale most probably has ended. But for those of you that are lucky enough, I hope you enjoy all of your goodies. Don't forget as well, I do have the free shipping over £59 on my website if you are ordering in the UK, and then to the USA it's over £120, which is just absolutely amazing. I've seen some American companies like their threshold, even shipping within America for free, is $200 plus. So yeah, it's amazing. It's fabulous. You guys, honestly, loving it. But it won't last for long, so if you need something, grab it, Nail Besties. Okay, I'm heading on to the next step, and of course, we are finishing up with encapsulating first. But I was doing this set on TikTok Live, and I really wanted to do 3D flowers. I did it on one of the nails, and it just looks so pretty. I envisioned a full set with the 3D flowers in my head. So that is what we're going to be doing. We're going to do every single nail with 3D flowers on, and they are going to absolutely slay. When I tell you this turned out so cute, I was obsessed with it. They looked so good. So freaky. But first up, I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to file the nails. I'm going to buff the nails. We're going to shape them, get that apex on a point, get all the nails snatched into that lovely coffin shape, which is made super easy by using the easy tips because they're already tapered to this thin coffin shape. I really don't have to do too much filing, which for me is an absolute plus because if I'm being honest, filing is probably the part that I really dislike the most. Again, let me know in the comments which part of doing your nails or clients' nails do you dislike the most, because I feel like I need to know that. Everybody has a secret and share it with me. Right, okay, so now I've finished filing, I've buffed, washed my hands, and then I'm coming in with my Nailmate Super Gloss, top coating the entire set. And then I'm going to share the results as they are because not everybody is going to want those 3D flowers. And I feel like the set was stunning like this. And then I'm going to share the final look with the 3D flowers as well. And I'm going to do those in a separate video because they took me forever. But look at them. How stinking stunning are they? Honestly, so pretty. So yeah, we're going to do the 3D flower process in the next video. And I hope to see you there. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, please remember that you are bomb.com, lit as fuck, and don't ever let anybody tell you any different because you've got this, and I love you. Mwah. Bye.